This has to be the easiest fudge recipe ever. No cooking over the stove, and it will definitely save you time during the holiday season. I'm Tess, and today we're making peanut butter fudge. Believe it or not, you will have this delicious peanut butter fudge made in 5 minutes total. The hardest part is waiting for it to chill in the refrigerator. There are only 2 ingredients, and that is 1 16-ounce jar of creamy peanut butter and 1 can of vanilla frosting, and that is it. I'm opening both containers and taking off any foil sealers. Microwaving each one for 1 minute, and you will see they will become thinner and will be easier to mix together. I'm pouring both the peanut butter and the frosting in a bowl and giving it a good mix to blend well. There are so many different combinations you can make with this recipe using different flavored frostings, and you can also use chunky peanut butter. This is the consistency that you're looking for, and make sure you scrape down the sides. I have a 9-inch baking dish that I sprayed with foil and lined with parchment paper. The paper will help lift up the fudge after it chills. Pouring in the fudge and leveling out. At this point, you could also decorate the top with some candies or chocolate. I'm covering this with some plastic wrap and refrigerating for at least 4 hours before cutting. And now we are ready for the fun part. You can slice the fudge into the size that you like, and it really doesn't matter because it's going to be gone before you know it. The peanut butter fudge has great texture and taste, not too sweet, and has a lot of flavor. This is an easy and quick gift for the holiday season. If you're invited to a get-together and need something quick and good to make, this is your ticket. I hope you give this 2-ingredient peanut butter fudge recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.